You wanna know what's crazy is I feel like the lace looks really good in person, but then I look in the camera and it look a little white. And I don't like that at all. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zaria, if you don't know me, and in today's video we're doing another Amazon wig. I've been doing Amazon wigs kind of like back to back lately, but I don't know, I just been inspired to like do new hairstyles. So this one obviously is very different. This is actually like a collab video with Andrew Zaddy. He custom colored this hair. I'm gonna put his at name on the screen. It's also of course gonna be in the description. But yes, this is the Amazon wig that was custom colored and it came out bomb, as you can see. Okay, let me give y'all the info on this wig. Okay, so it was a 26-inch 13x6 blonde body wave lace front. So of course I'm gonna link it below, but it was originally a blonde wig. So Andrew basically gave me this like ash blonde grayish color into a blue. So if you guys need custom color in Florida, make sure you reach out to him. He also does tape-ins and all that other good stuff, so check out his page. But anyways, like this video if you like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you're interested in seeing me install this beautiful Amazon wig, then keep watching. Okay y'all, so this is the wig. Andrew snapped on this unit. I already have my bald cap on. Y'all know I don't always really do bald caps unless it's like a colored wig, because I feel like if you don't do a bald cap, then you could see like your black hairline underneath the blonde or whatever color you're doing. So I did a bald cap already. I'm just gonna put the wig on and we're gonna glue it down. It's already giving like Ice Princess vibes and I'm here for it. I'm trying to move my mirror over without getting it in the frame. Oh, okay. They gave me an inch, I took a mile. Okay, so it looks really good. I ain't gonna lie. I'm actually excited for how this is about to turn out. But okay, so we're gonna do the glue. Y'all know I've been using the Bold Hold glue with the pink label. It is the Bold Hold Active for oily skin. So I'm gonna do like a couple layers of that. How about 3? I'm gonna do 3 layers. I don't know how long I wanna keep this wig on. I don't know how long I'm gonna last in like blonde blue hair. So I'm gonna do like 3 layers of this. Okay, so I lied. I definitely did 4 layers of glue, not 3. But anyways, y'all know I like to comb my lace into the glue. I just feel like it makes every piece of the lace kind of like stay down. I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down now. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit for like a couple minutes. Honestly, I really just be letting it sit until I feel like taking it off. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes for real this time. I'll take this off. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace now.
Now I'm walking with a bust down. Pull up and I flooded with a iced out watch. With it look like butter, baby. Pecan drop. Pecan drop. Put that phone in sun drop. Snap my nuts, count a lot, saw a lot. Got on rocks, I'm in rocks with the pot. Suicide, 1600, that's the get your girl that's check free. She ain't used to text me, now she won't caress me. She keep tryna neck me, I gotta tell my bestie. Someone call my bestie, think I found my bestie. Link up, make the check bleed. You know that I'm smoking dope, I'll be high till next week. No, I had to let her go, cause she can't arrest me. Walk up with my toolie, what they do? Meet me in the alley with the troops. I got red shooters, I got blue. Let that thing down and point at you. Billy or the Rari, hold that you. We gon' ride the bank, bring the loop. We gon' take it boy back.
Okay, so I cut the lace, but I cut it a little bit like in front of the glue. So as you can see, it's still not all the way glued down. So I'm gonna go back in and put some more glue just so that these pieces could like lay down or whatever. And whenever I do this happens a lot when I put wigs on. Like I'll just end up needing more glue or whatever. I don't usually put like another 3-4 layers of glue. Like I'll just put one because it's not like this is what's holding the wig on my head. You feel me? I really like this like silvery color that Andrew did at the top before it goes into the blue. Like originally when I had asked him for this, I had asked him for like a blonde, and he just kind of put his own twist to it. Like he told me he wanted to like do something different, but it just came out really cute. Like I like what he ended up doing. Okay, so we're glued down, but obviously you can still see all that lace. So I'm gonna try to melt it. I don't know if it got to be, let's see. Oh, the got to be will do it. I was about to say I don't know if the got to be will do it, but it looked like it's gonna do it. So I'm just gonna spray my got to be along my lace so that we can, you know, get a better melt. And then I'm just gonna tie it down again, and we're gonna let her sit for a little bit. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so it's time to take, dang, I tied it tight? Girl. Okay, you wanna know what's crazy is I feel like the lace looks really good in person, but then I look in the camera and it look a little white. And I don't like that at all. So I'm gonna add some makeup to it and just see what happens. Lord, please don't let me mess this wig up. I don't even have any like powder foundation because I don't wear powder foundation. So I'm gonna try this liquid and just see if this makes a difference. Okay, it looked like the foundation and the got to be was a good little combo because now the lace looks melted in person and on camera. It's just a little wet right now. Okay, yeah, my lace looks a lot better now. I'm looking at the monitor, I should be looking at the jaw. But I'm just looking at it on camera, like it looks a lot better now than it did before. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs. I already pulled a little bit forward, and then I'm gonna come back.
I'm with the gang, and it's gonna be a robbery. So tuck your chain, I'm a killer, girl, I'm sorry. But I can't change, we ain't aiming for your body. Shots hit your brain. We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing. There's a lot of animosity, but they won't say my name. Them killers rock me, little niggas don't get banged. Cause they do that job for me while I hop on the plane. She don't like her body, left the doctor with a new shape. Blowing up my phone cause she just see me with my new babe. Heartbreaker, ladies love me like I'm cool.
Okay, y'all, so I finished doing my baby hairs. I'm gonna go to Andrew. He's gonna style the hair for me. Obviously, it's still like really poofy, so he gonna get me together, girl. Okay. All right, y'all, so I did not show myself flat ironing the wig because Andrew actually did it. I went over to him and he flat ironed it and styled it for me. I just threw some more curls in it. So that was my install of the wig that was custom colored. And this is how it came out, girl. Like, I can't stop looking at myself. This happens in every video. But I can't stop looking at myself because it just looks so good. I'm imagining like the looks I could do with this hair, and it's just giving what need to be gave, okay? Anyways, like I said in the beginning, this is a 26-inch 13x6 blonde body wave lace front wig. I will say that it's not 6 inches throughout the whole frontal. It's only 6 inches like in the middle. So it's like a U, and then it's like strips of lace on the side. I mean, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter because I was still able to achieve a side part, so it really doesn't make a difference. But just so y'all know, I don't want nobody to be surprised. But yeah, this came out mad cute, like, period. And this is how long it is, by the way. It comes like right waist length, but a little bit longer because obviously it's curled, but you get me. So yeah, shout out to Andrew for custom coloring this unit for me. His information as well as the link to this wig will be in the description. I can't even talk. Like this video if you like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.